Hello and welcome to a fingernail fixer video. I've had some requests to do really simple, fast video that is nothing but a basic polish application, regardless of what you're using, without any extra information, strictly how to apply the polish. To start off with, clean your brush thoroughly so that there's not a lot of extra polish on the brush. Flip it around backwards and holding it at about a 45-degree angle, scrub or wiggle the brush along the edge to seal the edge. This is going to give you a nice seal without getting the polish all over the edge of the finger. See how thin that seal is? Then pick up a little more polish back onto the brush from the neck of the bottle. Wipe the brush down the center of the nail to apply any excess color. Set it down, wiggle it a little bit to fan it out, and push back. Bring it down the center, roll the finger so that you can see the brush glide smoothly down the side. Roll the finger so that you can see the brush glide smoothly down the side. And either continue on polishing all 10 fingers to allow that to air dry, or cure if you're using a gel polish. A trick for getting a closer seal to the cuticle or the eponychium: tip the finger towards you at about a 45-degree angle. So if we hold it like this, it's kind of difficult to see that seal with your eyes from the angle. But if you'll tip it down a little bit, you can really see that defined space between the proximal nail fold or the eponychium and your polish brush. Gently push back, move to the side and push back, and same thing on the opposite side. And then you'll notice when we tip that up, it's a much tighter seal, but we still haven't gotten on the skin, so there's not any cleanup. Hope these quick polish tips help give you a better polish job more consistently. Nice and easy, quickly done. Thanks for joining me.